bump ba dump, bump bump bump, bump da bump, bump bump bump, bump ba dump, bump bump bump, bump ba dump bump bump. Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Sammy, come. Sammy, come. Look at little Sammy. He likes being in the videos. Don't you? Okay. His breath stinks like fish, guys. No, Sammy, this is a collector set. This is a good boy. Okay, so we have a collector's Sonic set, and this is exclusive because when I went to go get my glasses, I saw some Sonic stuff, and I was like, oh, I have to get those, and then I just went to get them, and then I found this, and it was $21. It was $23, but they gave it us for $20 only. So yeah, let's open it. Call Sammy. Oh, never mind, he's following you. Okay. Let me show you guys my action figures that I have now. Look, so guys, these are the action figures I have now. One Sonic 2 toy, Knuckles 30th anniversary, and these two, Tails. And this one is Dwarf Sonic, everyone. Because Sonic's right here, and it's an exclusive collector set. So I have no idea how I actually found this, guys. So let's open it. Oh, just listening to that crumble of the thing open. It's so relaxing. Oh my. And then we got this background. Let's just eat that stuff over there. I'm really gonna put it where the other action figures are. But look at this background. That's actually a nice background. Okay, so it comes with Dwarf Shadow. Honestly, he's very cool. Dwarf Shadow. Next, Dwarf Tails. Dwarf Sonic. Another Dwarf Sonic. Wait, Knuckles is supposed to have more downward spikes, but Dwarf Knuckles and Long neck Sonic. So yeah, guys, that is going to be the end for the video. Peace, everyone. It's actually not the end yet. I just figured this out. Look, big long neck Sonic's head could come off. So that's nice. So yeah, guys, now this is really the end. Peace, everyone! Dun, 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 dun.